Prezi, Prezi.com. So free once again. I mean, you also have a premium version, but we would not be requiring that. So we'll go with the free one. First thing is you need to sign up. I have already signed it up. So once you sign up, you will see something like this. And to start with, there are a couple of options. See here in Prezi you can also do videos. Prezi video is possible. You can download the Prezi desktop app. Here you can see left corner, and then you can do videos also. This also can be used for video recording, but right now my interest is not that. You can also create some designs like flyers, brochures, all of that could be done. Let's concentrate on presentations. How do I use Prezi to make my presentation dynamic, and also very appealing? So when you look at the presentation, you should say, "Wow, it's so beautiful," something like that. Okay. So for that, the advantage of Prezi is it has readily available templates. Okay. So you just have to choose a template, whatever template you like, and then start exploring it, customizing it. So let me tell you from scratch. So now go to explore presentation gallery. Can you see one on the right? Explore presentation gallery. Let's just click on that. So when you click on that, you can see there are so many templates that are available. So you can reuse them. This symbol means reuse. You can use any of these. You can copy paste. When I say reuse, you can copy paste any of these. Prezi is meant for that. So topics wise also, category wise also, you have whatever you want to choose, you can choose. Right now, since we are talking about education, let me just click on education. And here also you have so many of them. Just for your understanding, let me show you one. Let me open up one and then show you how the presentation looks like. Okay, as I told you, I have not made this presentation. These are all readily available templates. I can modify them. I just have to edit them, that's all. I can make this presentation my own presentation. How do we do it? Let's check it. So first click on this. Let us say I'm going to choose this, the teenage brain. Let me click on that first. So before you do anything, so as you can see, make a copy, create your own. I'll come back to this a little later. So now this is the presentation. Let me make it full screen. So now this presentation is full screen, and then at the down you can see there is an arrow mark, means you can go to the next slide. Now I'll just slowly keep on moving to the next slide till the end of the slides. It may take 2 minutes. So in between I can just speak something to just tell you how it looks like. So let's start the presentation. This is a readily available template. I can modify this as per my own requirement. So let's start. So basically this is about the teenage brain. Now first we can talk about the particular thing, teacher note. You can also include video. You can see it there, and you can now go to video. You can play the video, and then you can go to the next one if you wish, and it goes to the next one, next topic. So and then comes back to the subtopic. So basically you have a main theme and then topics. Within the topics you have subtopics. So teacher note is over. Now you go to the next topic and then start exploring more in this topic. So all the subtopics you can explore. So go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one. And once again, videos could be put.
It was a typical morning for me.
Videos could be put, photos could be put, text could be put. I'll show you how to put that. Go to next one and go to next one. Go through the video, incorporate any video, come back to the main topic. Second subtopic is over. Now go to third topic, third subtopic, and then explain it in greater detail. You are explaining some instrument, working of an instrument or something like that. You can do all of that. You can do all of this. You can do all of this. You can highlight things. You can explain things. And within the subtopic, you can still have smaller topics, as you can see. And include videos, show your audience what you wanted to convey in the form of videos or pictures. All this is feasible. Come back to the next subtopic and once again show them something if you wish. So, and this should be the end of this subtopic, and we are left with the last subtopic. Explore this, show them some video if you wish, explore this, explore this. So there are all videos, and then at the end of it, it looks something like that. And this is all about your presentation. Okay, so let me just escape and come back to this. So now you have now seen, so it's not like a typical PPT, Microsoft PPT. It looks dynamic, it looks appealing, it looks attractive. So this is how you can make your presentation, your own class, your own presentation, whatever you want to present. So let us assume out of all the templates you like this, you want it to be presented in this fashion. So what you have to do first, just click on make a copy. Can you see a make a copy here? Just click on that, make a copy. Now what it does is it copies this template for you. So now see, it is making a copy. So let's just wait for a while. And one more thing is, all of this you're doing online. So Prezi, the beauty of Prezi is that all of that gets stored. Whatever your presentation is, it gets stored there only. You need not carry any pen drive or something. I'll talk more about it little later. So this is the main topic, and you can see subtopics also. Now I want to change this. I'll just show you one or two slides, not more than that. So now I want to change the topic. So what is the topic that I want to put? Let us assume I want to make it, so delete. If you want to delete something, just click on that, say delete, that's all. So now let me change this. What I want to make it, I want to make this as ICT. Let me put capitals, cap locks, ICT tools in education. Now you observe that it's bigger, so it's not fitting in. So you can change the size. Change the size. Can you see that? Now it's fitting into this. You can expand this, you can make it small, it's up to you. So let me just, as per your necessity, you can customize this. The beauty of this is you can customize it. So I feel this is good. Now I don't want this Prezi logo. If you want to put your own logo, your organization logo, you can put it. So let me just delete that. And if you want to insert something, your name or something, can you see here on the top, you have style, you have insert, you have share. I'll go to insert, and you can see you can insert a new topic. If you are a starter, don't explore this, just start using the available template as it is, or you can start building topics, building the slides from scratch. You can do that. Okay, so right now let us see how do we customize the presentation. So let us say you can add text, image, PowerPoint. Also you can include PDF, video. We have seen sometime back, I've shown you that we can put a video, right? So let me just put a text. Let me write something. So click to edit text. So let me let me write something. So then click on that. You want to drag it, you can drag it and then keep it here. Wherever you want, you can put it. So all this customization you could do. Next, let's go to each topic. So now this is the first topic. This is your first topic. So click on that, and you want to change this, because now our intention is we want to make it as ICT tools in education. So now you can just say just say the first slide could be, first topic could be, you want to tell them about all the learning mechanisms. So now you can adjust. Once again, it's going down, you don't want that. This is okay, but now it is not centered. So click that and then make it come, you can just make it come to center. So that's it. So now name, then go to the next topic. Now if I click here, you can actually, when I click here, you can see the linking. So you can see the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can you see the numbering, which means that is the order in which this presentation runs. Okay, you can change it if you wish. Okay, no problem. And now let me just show you one more. So the second one, let us say now here we want to talk about hybrid learning. You can put that. This looks okay. Now I want this to be little smaller because this is my subtopic. So now click on that and make it little smaller. Can you see? I can customize it, however I want, however I wish. That's very much feasible. So come to this, and once again, and then now let us say you want to talk about online learning. Okay, so this seems okay. No, does not seem okay because it's not in the center. So I'll just pull it. So drag, drop it. So two more are there. I'll just show you this. So I don't, it went into it. So I'll just come back. So click it carefully. You want the center one. So click on that. Whatever you want to modify. and then I'll say ICT is set up. So here you will talk about the ICT setup, and the last one you just want to just go back in case by mistake you come there, just go back to that, and then you can just click on that and then go to this, and then you can edit that whatever you want to put to the last one. You can just say, so how do you do the delivery of your content using ICT setup. Now that's it. So first slide is over. Now you want to go into the second one. So this is the learning mechanisms. You want to go into it. Either can you see the left side? So you can go there from here itself. Let me just minimize this. You can go there from here itself. So click on this, or you can click on that. It will take you there. Anything is okay. So now in this you see there is a teacher node, that is this one, and there are goals, there are standards. So it will go into this. It will go into this in this order. You can see on the left side what is the order. So now let me click on this. You want to remove this video. Remove it. Okay, you want to put your own video, so insert video, and you, if it is a YouTube video, you just have to type in something. Okay, or you want to upload a video, you can upload it. So you can see this here, and you can insert either videos from your desktop or laptop, or you can insert video from YouTube. So that's very much there. The YouTube videos will not be available while presenting offline for us, because we are not premium users. We can never use it offline, we have to use it online only. But just put the YouTube link or upload a video, so that is feasible, and I have shown you how to do it. So that's about putting the video into it. And once again you want to put some image, so come back to this, insert image. You can upload, there are free images available, you can use them, or you can upload an image from your system. Let me just upload one image just to show you, that it's feasible. And now you can see I'm going to put this image here. Meanwhile, let me just erase this. Let us say this, I don't want this in my topic. So let us say I'm talking about this. So, and then you can can you see that? Yeah. So images, wherever you want to put, you can put. Wherever you wish to put them, you can put them. So that's it. And then once again, this is one more subtopic within the subtopic, and then you can go to that. So you can go to goals, and then you can modify this. So remove this, add whatever, add the content. If you think it is too much of thing is there, just come back to this, and you don't want these goals at all, just you can just keep click on that and then say delete, so that goals is gone. So like that, if you think it is too much, I don't have too much to present in my content, you can just delete it, no problem at all. So whatever you want to present, you can present. So like this, you have so many subtopics. You can go into all the subtopics and then start editing them. Okay, so this is how you can insert, as I've shown you, text, images, powerpoints, videos, PDFs also you can include in your presentation. So once you're done with everything, let us assume you are done, just click on present. On the right side you can see present, so you can start presenting. Okay, let me just click on present, and yeah, this is the first one, and then I'll go to the next one. So learning mechanisms, and this is what we have edited. So this is, I'll just stop this because only that much modification we have done, rest all it would be the same like earlier. So now you can share this. So share, you can change the backdrop, fill color, all this you can is possible. You can explore it. For first timers, you can just use the templates as it is. As you start using it, you can develop your own things, change the background, work out, you can work on it. It's a beautiful tool, I'm sure you would love that. So now you want to share this presentation to your friends or something, give them a link. Okay, and then when they click on the link, they can go through this presentation, or you can present it right away. So I'll just go back to my home page. So I'll go to the dashboard. So this is all about Prezi. So now whatever is there, can you see? So now I have not changed the name. So I think it's better that I change the name. So I'll just say, I'll just rename it as demo WD day 2. So now, so once I rename it, it has not. So now you can see it's renamed. So next time you just click on that, and from here only you can you can share it, you can give it to your friends, or you can present it right away. So when you just click on the present, as I have shown you, you can start presenting. Okay, now two things. Let me just click on this once again to just show you. Now export, can you see right side, can you see an export? Now this downloading and converting it to PDF, you and I cannot do, for the simple reason that we are not premium users. But we can edit it, we can customize it, we can do anything, we can present it. So let us say you are doing a class with you doing a session to your students. So in the Zoom, you just open the Prezi window, I mean, or you share your screen, and that's it. Start presenting to them like this. So this is free. So no charge, nothing. You make a presentation, you start, presenting the presentation to your students. As simple as that. I've also shown you how do you edit that and how do you make changes. Now there is one more thing. You can you can start from scratch. You do not want to use any templates, you want to start on your own, you can start from scratch. Or you already have the content with you, you have the content in the form of a PPT, Microsoft PPT, which we all generally use. Now you can click on this and you upload the PPT. So you can upload the PPT here, and what it does, so now you can see upload a PPT, it will take that PPT and automatically it would create a template and then give you the results in that particular template. Okay, so it's up to you. There are so many available templates, you can explore them. I just made one presentation. It will take 1 minute to just show me. So yeah, so let us say you are talking about IC tools in education. So the first one, you talk about traditional learning, online tools, and then traditional learning, you explain to your students what it is, and then you talk about the online tools which could complement it, because you are talking about a blended learning or hybrid learning. Then you talk about the online learning which we are doing right now, and then you explain to them all the tools that are available, the mechanisms that are there, and then you also talk to them about having a good ICT setup. Uh, could you please unmute everyone? Please do not talk. Yeah, yeah, let's continue. So you can talk about the complete ICT setup, and you can also tell them what all tools are there. You can explain to your students what all things are there, and at the end of it you can also say that once we are updated with the technology, we are ready to deliver. So teachers would touch the future and we are ready to deliver. So something like that, you can make your own presentation and you can start sharing the presentation, explaining the presentation to your students. Okay, so this is all about Prezi. So I have shown you how to edit it, how to customize it, how to make it your own, and all these presentations would continue to remain in your dashboard. You can use them anytime, you can edit them anytime, and that's all. So what are the drawbacks? You cannot download any of these. It's not like a PPT PowerPoint presentation where you can download to your system. You cannot do that. Number two, you cannot export it to any other form, PDF and all. You cannot export. Only thing is editing can be done. You can modify it as per your necessity. You can change it and you can start presenting. Okay, and there are so many beautiful templates. Please explore it. I'm sure you would love this. So this is all about Prezi. So this is and I also shown you how to share it, to your friends or start presenting. So you can see, for example, presenting, you can do record video. If you have a Prezi video desktop thing, you can record video conference. You can do. See, presenter view is not allowed here. Lock means you cannot do that. Only you have to unlock the features. It means you have to buy, you have to become a premium user. I don't want to do that. Share view link, this you can do. Share the link. So now you are doing a webinar, you share the link of this Prezi, they can see, or you can just share the window and you can present it. And export PDF you cannot do, download you cannot do. So add collaborators, you can also add collaborators. Yesterday we were talking about whiteboard thing, you were talking about collaborators, so you can add collaborators, they can also contribute to your presentation. So all these features are there in Prezi.